Hi beautiful lovers, welcome back to my YouTube channel The Beauty Spot. Hope so you guys are all doing well. In today's video, I will show you some hairstyles that is looking just like a heart. Whether it is for a special occasion or just to show a little extra love, these heart-shaped inspired hairstyles are perfect way to make a statement. First up is the heart braid crown. This sweet and elegant style for a fun and playful twist, try the heart-shaped ponytail. Another favorite is the heart parting style. This is where you create a heart shape right in the parting of the hair. And for a truly show-stopping look, there is the heart-shaped space buns. Instead of your usual double buns, twist the hair into the perfect heart shapes on each side of the heart. Fun, funky, and full of personality, this is the perfect for festival, parties, or any event where you want to stand out. If you guys like this video, please press the like button. For watching this type of video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Also show comments.